Hi everyone, it's Artis, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'll be reviewing this DeWalt DCN660 second fix 16 gauge nail gun. So yeah, let's get into it. And before we actually get into it, let's say thank you to our sponsors Sterling Power Tools and Fixings and DeWalt UK. Alright, so let's have a look what we have. Let's start from the nose of the gun. So here we got if you got a jam, easy to release, you lift this and you can, get to the jammed area. So this is on the tip of the nose. This is your depth adjustment, as you can see here. It indicates where you are with it as well. That's quite simple. So you got an additional tip here as well, replacement tip here. Actually, that's where you can put your nails in, your cartridge. So the cartridge can take 32, minimum 32 up to 63 angle nails, 16 gauge. So to release your nails, you got a little lever here, so you press on that, pull back, and that lets you get it out. So there's two settings: your normal setting, single shot or burst mode. This is the style release button. There'll be light flashing which will show you that you need to pull this lever. Mostly your locking and unlocking button for the trigger. Also you have some lights here, which is handy, being second fix nail gun. You'll need that, and your hook for your belt right there. This I've put a 18 volt power stack 1.7 amp. I think this battery will be the best as it's lightest, but it offers the same output as 5HR battery pretty much, or not far off. So what we'll do now, we will go into the weighing the tool as usual, and then we will crack on with a technical side, and then we'll go on to the practical side. So with the 18 volt power stack 1.7 battery, 1.7 amp battery, it weighs at 6.193 pounds or 2.809 kilos. So I think this is best mix for both, because you're gonna need obviously it's quite light actually. I'll be happily using all day, and that's thanks to this small battery as well, I would say. So that is the key. It's light and it gives you enough power and life of the battery. So we'll go into the technical details of it, and yeah, and then we crack on with the other bits. Let's take a closer look at the technical side of the DeWalt DCN660, a 16 gauge angled finish nailer from DeWalt's 18 volt XR range. This model uses a brushless motor, giving you the cordless convenience of a pneumatic nailer, but without the hose, gas or compressor. It's designed for second fix work such as trim, molding, skirting and casing. The DCN660 fires 16 gauge angled finish nails from 32 to 63 millimeters in length, depending on your application and regional variant. The magazine holds up to 110 nails and sits at a 20-degree angle, allowing better reach into corners and tight spots. Power is provided by DeWalt's 18 volt XR lithium-ion battery platform, ensuring full compatibility with your existing XR tools. In terms of build and weight, the bare tool comes in at roughly 2.4 kilograms with an overall height of around 302 millimeters and width of about 96 millimeters. It's well balanced with good center of gravity control even during overhead use. For usability, DeWalt includes several tool-free adjustments, a depth of drive control for precise countersinking, and a jam and stall release that lets you clear obstructions quickly without tools. You also get a selector switch to toggle between sequential mode for precise single placements and bump fire mode when speed matters on larger runs of trim. Built-in LED lights illuminate your workspace and can also indicate low battery or error conditions. An adjustable belt hook can be mounted on either side of the tool for added convenience. In short, the DeWalt DCN660 delivers the power and consistency of a pneumatic nailer in a fully cordless package. 16 gauge nails, 32 to 63 millimeters, 110 nail magazine, brushless motor on the 18 volt XR platform, 2.4 kilograms bare weight, tool-free depth, jam and mode selection controls, LED illumination and belt hook included. It's a professional grade finisher built for site work, joinery and detailed trim installations. Clean, efficient and truly cordless. Right, I've put some 32s in now. Oh no, actually these are 38s, not 32s, sorry. And we'll give it a go, see what it does. I'm going into the bump setting, burst mode setting. Let's see. Oh, that works well. Let's carry on single mode. It's quite easy. Let's see how it likes the 63s. So single mode. And let's go to burst mode. Well, it does the job. Obviously all guns with the time will show its weaknesses. No gun is perfect, but yeah, if you have this HR battery already or this platform, so it's obviously going to be cheaper for you to get this system rather than switching to something else. So yeah, it's definitely worth considering. So yeah, on this note, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch up in our next videos.